Good morning. This is the weekly analysis. Sorry, weekly review. Let's start from the Monday, 10th of August. So we have managed to the market has given us a break of structure to the upside on the Friday New York session. Then all we have to do is to wait for the retracement to the order block. And it happened on the Monday Tokyo session. It's a nice, clean, long entry. And my take profit was at 8.4. The reason for that is because of this liquidity. I wanted to see the liquidity above this. And there's also a 4-hour key zone here. So going back to the 15-minute, after we made sure we had a clean liquidity of the 4-hour, then I wanted to see the retracement to the next order block before continuing up to my target, 4-hour target. The market unfortunately did not do that. It just went straight up to the 4-hour key zone, then retraced. We still have the same order block. Then what I did was I obviously longed from the order block. However, my platform had a candle close below the order block. So my system automatically closed the trade. However, if this worked out, it would have been another 700 pips trade. And the following trade was on Thursday. So Thursday we have a clean break of structure, even though this is the 4-hour key zone. We still have to give it a try because that's the strategy, and we had a candle close below that, minus 100 pips. That's okay. Then this is a wick above the previous high, so I wouldn't count this as break of structure, meaning that this I wouldn't count. This break I wouldn't count as change of character, even though it worked kind of. So what I had to do was to wait for a proper change of character, which the structure is all the way here. Then it did that on the Friday New York session, so I had to short from the bearish order block. Then my target would be this liquidity, which it did. However, now I think about it, I should have done on the second one because this would have worked. But a win is a win. That's okay. And the next one is after this trade, I managed to trade from 10,000 to 40,000. Then what I did was I separated my short entry into two positions, one from the fair value gap here, and one from the order block here. So that was the position, and this one was a losing position, which I kind of expected because of this 4-hour bearish order block. Then the market has given us a break of structure to the upside, which means we have a structure higher low here, and higher high, meaning if next Monday breaks this structure, goes up, I'm definitely taking a short all the way down. My target is below this area, so I have more than 1,000 pips trade next Monday. So that's something I'm excited for. Overall, this week we've done quite well. So we traded from 10,000 to 36,000 after this loss. So I'm still excited to trade and follow the strategy that gets me to 100 mil. And let's see how it goes after several weeks. So I don't want to deviate. I will not allow myself to deviate from the strategy. I will follow the strategy strictly. I've backtested 4 years worth of market data, and every year worked. I won't believe it wouldn't work this week. This year.